A medical research team conducted a study to test the effect of a preventative medicine. At the end of the study, the research team found that of the 4,700 randomly selected subjects who took the medicine, 301 still got sick. Of the 4,300 randomly selected subjects who took a placebo, 457 got sick. At alpha equal to 0.01, can you support the claim that the sickness rate is lower for those who took the medicine than for those who took the placebo? So the claim is that P1 is less than P2. So this is the alternative hypothesis, which means that this is a left-tailed test. And the null hypothesis is P1 is greater than or equal to P2. Alpha is 0.01, x1 is 301, n1 is 4,700, x2 is 457, n2 is 4,300. And this is a left-tailed test. So now let's go to the two-proportion z-test. So press Stat and then select the two-proportion z-test, and then enter in all of the information and press Calculate. So z is negative 7.21, and the p-value is 0. So our picture looks like this, and because z is so far to the left, that's what makes our p-value 0. So the p-value is less than alpha, which means we reject the null hypothesis. And the conclusion would be, at the 0.05 level of significance, there is enough evidence to support the claim that the sickness rate is lower for those who took the medicine than for those who took the placebo.